see my dilemma here. Okay. Ace, come upstairs. Come on, you need to take a bath. You need to take a bath. Okay. I have a few options here. I can wait until he complies, try to trick him to go upstairs, or carry him. Problem with carrying him is, one, he's pretty heavy boy, aren't you, baby? Two, he doesn't like being carried too much, so he might growl and nip. Let me try the second option. Ace! Push Chucky upstairs! Yeah, I think he knows. He's not a dumb dog, that's for sure. Sit! Come on, Ace. Downstairs. Downstairs. Sit, 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 sit. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to carry him. Huh? Okay. This is terrible video quality, but... Nope, nope. Being carried. Being carried. Trying to carry him right now. Sling down. I try to pull him upstairs. He's not leaving the stairs, is he? Yeah, send help.